Where's your presents? Why are you getting presents today? Because why? Is it your birthday? Hmm? Is it your birthday today?
Okay.
How old are you?
I'm gonna be 3, okay?
3 years old?
Is it your birthday?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want your first present? Waar zit de pikkie oors hier? Ja, Nikki? Daar zo. Het is van mama en papa.
Where did you go?
I just do my daughter.
Ja, nu, you're ashamed.
What about your present?
Is jij excited?
Open your present.
I will. The train!
A train.
It's a gift for you.
Thank you.
Leave it. Wow!
Is the Thomas?
Oeh, Janu, wat zit daar? Dus, oh, she Molly.
Open it, open it.
Okay.
Open
Papa will show you how it works.
Yes.
If you just
Excuse me?
say thank you.
Thank you.
Excuse me for the burp.
Excuse me. The burp.
Okay. Dit is een story om het op te maken, Janu. Weet je wat zijn naam? Archie Molly.
Aussie Molly. Okay.
Ja.
This was the Ollie.
Molly.
Molly.
En weet je wat is die ding?
I won't break this one.
Ja, dit is een mooi nieuwe treintje. Van mama en papa. Crown sweetjes.
What about a hug and a kiss? What does the book say? What must you do? Read it quickly.
Says
What does it say?
celebrity.
Okay.
Celebrity is at the politician in town. It's a town.
Oh, good job. Good reading.
Okay, so. We moeten het voor mij afnemen natuurlijk. Oké. Zeker papa je moet helpen hier, want echt, weet je. Hoe jullie van
Read the instructions for mommy.
What does it say? Are you excited?
Yes.
Are we gonna have birthday cake today?
Yes.
And
Are you having friends over?
I'm gonna have that ring.